Okay, this is a sculpture. I'm doing a video. This is a sculpture by someone who says, I have no idea how to sculpt. Would you move your hands and let us look at your I don't know how to sculpt horse? Thank you. We started with the basic foil form, and this is what I call more of a freestyle form. She did not start with one of my particular faces or heads for her sculpture. She's doing her own and doing quite well. Now these will be the Santa Clauses, which I provided the faces for. And she's building the body on the Santa right now out of the foil and the paper. Here's another more free-form piece. This is a rabbit. She looked at a picture, or here's a little tiny sculpture that she's patterning the face after. And doing a darn good job, if I say so myself. And we'll paper the piece. Here's another Santa with the face I provided, and she's covering it with paper. And we have yet to get to the real fun part of designing the costumes. This as well, another Santa. And the second part of this will show up in a little while when they start getting their clothes on. It'll make a world of difference. Okay, good girls.